boys and girls. It's Mrs. Speer and grab a partner. This is Bryson.
Hi.
Bryson. And we're going to show you your science lesson that is needing to be turned in for a grade this week. So it's a STEM challenge. It's a paper link STEM challenge. And if you remember, STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. That's what the letters STEM mean. And so this is kind of a little exercise in engineering. So you're going to need a couple things. If you can't find a partner, don't worry about it, but try to find one if you can because it's a little bit of a challenge. You're each going to need the same size sheet of paper, so I just went upstairs and grabbed 2 pieces of paper from the printer. I grabbed some tape. You could use glue or staples if you needed to do that, and a pair of scissors. The challenge is you have 10 minutes to create the longest paper chain. So Ross and I are going to go ahead and get started. You see we have the very same materials. And we're going to see who, after a couple minutes, we won't go for 10 minutes. Your challenge is 10 minutes. See whose paper chain is the longest. So what do you think we could do to make it longer? All right, I'm going to go ahead and start. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tape together. All right, you want to go ahead and start making some links so we can compare? Just a couple more minutes. Let's see. Oh, I'm wondering if maybe mine isn't going to be too tiny. Now, while we're waiting for Bryson to get some links on his chain, I want to show you, in your paper packet, there is a recording sheet. It looks like this. It says Paper Chain STEM Challenge. It wants you to measure, it wants you to record some findings, and if you had the opportunity to try this again, what would you do differently? I'm already, as I'm starting mine, thinking about how I could have made mine a little bit longer, but I already started on this one, so I'm committed now to possibly losing to Bryson. All right, and I am gonna go ahead and stop. You of course want to continue for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and stop and then see how long mine is. Mine's not very long. It's kind of short and cute. Let's see what Bryson's looks like. Thinking his is a little bit longer than mine.
Tape's a bit sticky.
All right, here's Bryson with his. What are your predictions, boys and girls? Uh-oh. All right. So, if we continue for 10 minutes, who will have the longer paper chain and why? So now what can you do based on what we did to make yours longer? Have fun, boys and girls.